good one. Here's a good one. And we'll put the parent down.
That's cool. I like that.
And we'll cut the heat.
Yep.
Well, let's see. Let's cut the belly. Buddy, waste some time here.
Yeah, I don't do that stuff.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, how am I supposed
You're
to?
going to learn one day.
Alright, here we go. This is Tracy Arnold with the ECBRO. This is an experiment that we've come up with. We actually found the stump being cut. It looked like a table. We're using it as a gifting offering table.
Very carefully approach this to see if there's possible tracks in here. If you know something got this.
Like you say, you can see the Rice Krispies spread out.
There was 4 pieces of Rice Krispie.
Rice Krispie treat.
1, 2, 3. There's a 4th piece missing somewhere. That's interesting. That's why we needed a game cam right here.
I know. No trout. The pine cones are still there.
Yep. That didn't get knocked over.
Look how the Rice Krispies are in a line.
Yeah, I noticed that. Exactly.
And look on the ground, you can sort of see it scuffed right there in front.
We're going to find out, see if we can find out. Oh, look at here it is, right here.
There's the 4th one.
There's the 4th one. Alright. Alright. I'm going to get a view from it back here.
Yeah. So I would have thought a bear or a Sasquatch would eat the sweet.
Alright, right now, 2 days later, we returned to the gifting area from Tracy Arnold and Elijah Arnold. They actually did the setup on this gifting area. We had about roughly around a 10-inch length rainbow trout laid on there with 4 pieces of squares of Rice Krispie treats. And our Rice Krispie treats do appear to be here. Now, you got 3, if you make them up, they're 3. You got 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we didn't see the 4th one at first, which is right down there. That's how far it got spread. They were all 4 lined up in front of the trout, right here in our gifting area. Alright. Here's a little ornamental structure that we have set here. That's still standing. Now, I don't know if this is a coincidence. Let me back this up. I found this kind of interesting. I don't know if you noticed this cliff or not. See, we got 2 trees. I don't know if they might have fallen. They possibly just...
Oh, like a cross.
Yeah, exactly. They might have just fallen like this, but that could be just a coincidence. I'm going to very carefully approach this area. Let me raise up here. I want to keep the video rolling just on that general spot because they scraped the area out. And actually, before I came back and checked on this, they had some of it brushed out.
What did they?
They cleaned out some of the pine litter. So they could, anything that might have came through here, we could have picked up the tracks.
Okay.
And there's definitely look like there's possibly some kind of impression here with almost like a scrape, possible maybe toe, but there's nothing that could actually be clearly made out from here. Whatever took the trout definitely picked it up and went off with it.
I would say it enjoyed it.
It definitely had to.
Because it's gone.
Apparently, you know what? Either I don't see no teeth marks or nothing in the. I don't know if you can notice anything there. I'm trying to look at these Rice Krispie treats.
Mm-hmm.
And I am not seeing nothing. Nothing indicated like it was took it and enjoyed it. And I'm actually looking around to see if there's any chance that that trout might have got just left around somewhere. But it appears that it's actually completely gone. Are you seeing anything that I might be overlooking maybe? Because I mean, I am definitely trying to look for tracks. It looks like right here, you got something maybe here and here.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this impression's from me, but. All right, and I'm got it going. All right. All right, we're actually on Cliff's video right now. My SD card got full and cut me off, so right now we got the Cliff. It brought some Peter Pan creamy peanut butter, and we're gonna reline these the Rice Krispie treats back on our offering table here, our gifting area. And there's one thing I'm gonna do with this, and this is something that Fred Canny, the Valley Bigfooting, he shows himself taking off the lid, exposing the lid, because if there's anything watching, they see the lid, they see the container. We're going to put the lid back on, screw it on, and it's actually going on real tight. I got it really well hand tight. I got a pretty good tight grip. I'm going to lay this back down here. I'm putting it right here. And I'm going to gather up the 4 pieces of Rice Krispies. We're going to lay them each one here. Mainly each one is almost cut the way we cut them. Tracy and Arnold, excuse me, Tracy Arnold and Elijah Arnold, they cut them almost with a diamond shape. I got them all spaced apart here, facing the peanut butter.
Pointed at it.
Yeah, they're all pointing towards the peanut butter. I'm going to clear just a little bit of debris around. And I'm also going to try to re-scrape the area in front. Hopefully, if anything comes and approaches this again, we might get some better impressions and perhaps a good foot track. Clear this out real good. And now I am actually using my hand to smooth this out, because just from rubbing it you could form false impressions and scrapes. I want to give it a good pat. That way, if anything comes in here, it'll actually show that it's being disturbed. Right now, right in here in front, we're very clear. It's clean. And I think take a note, we got a lot of debris down around on the surrounding areas, so we'll see what happens here. I'm actually going to add an extra pine cone on top of the structure just for the heck of it. I'm going to come on the side here, see if I can lay this up here very carefully. Of course, if we get strong wind, that may blow the wind and blow it off. All right, because of my footprints, I do got tracks here for my own foot. Perhaps we'll return here in another couple days. Like I said, today is May 5th. It's 12:03 right now. Is in first part of this video of checking on our gifting area that we had a trout here. It's actually going to be on my video, and hopefully be sure to check out my videos on YouTube channel ECBRO 98 and check with Cliff Stanley, because he has the other half of this. This is his video right now. So thank you, Cliff. And if you have anything you want to discuss on here while we're out here, all right.
I'm good.
So we're done here till next time. See you in a couple days. I don't see the squares around anywhere.
Pine cones on the ground.
Yep.
Rice Krispie treats missing.
Looks like we got some kind of old impressions there, right there. Looks like oh, that's a stump right there, but something there. Yeah, whatever it was, like peanut butter. Yeah, it looks like we might have some claw marks right here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that just might be the wood.
Old bear might have been by and got the Rice Krispie treats. I really just had never seen pine cones shredded apart like this.
Yeah.
Piles and
Back
piles.
to the gifting area, we left out the peanut butter with the lid on, semi-tight. 4 pieces of peanut butter squares with, well, 2 of them had peanut butter on them. And they are actually gone. Slight impressions here. And can't really make it out to the camera. But we think maybe just a possible bear. There's a impression down there.